Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the cash drivers that determine daily liquidity. First, pull 12 months of receipts and receipts timing so you can project inflows accurately. Once done, list predictable outflows, payroll, rent, taxes, supplier payments, separating fixed versus variable amounts to see patterns. Make sure to choose a budget horizon, weekly or monthly, and record your opening cash balance and a safety cushion. This prevents surprises and lets you proceed to build the actual cash timing schedule. You now convert drivers into a period-by-period forecast. Start by projecting receipts using sales forecasts and collection patterns, for example 30/60/90-day splits, so timing matches reality. Next, schedule payments by due date, inserting one-time and seasonal cash needs. Don't forget payroll timing. Then calculate net cash flow each period and update the running cash balance to show surplus or deficit. Once updated, review assumptions and adjust rates or timings until you finish by turning the forecast into actionable controls. If a projected deficit appears, decide corrective steps. Arrange short-term financing, delay discretionary spend, or accelerate collections. Write these actions down. Then set a review cadence, weekly for tight budgets, monthly for stable ones, and assign an owner to keep it current. Finally, stress test scenarios like lower sales or late receipts and document trigger actions. This troubleshooting tip lets you respond quickly when reality diverges from the plan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.